Good evening and welcome to Marketplace. U.S. President Barack Obama has cut short his Hawaiian vacation and will fly back to Washington tomorrow in a last-ditch effort to deal with the looming fiscal cliff. Obama will focus on reaching a deal to avoid or at least delay $600 billion worth of tax hikes and budget cuts that kick in on January 1st. The final few trading days of the year will be dominated by whether Obama and the Republicans could reach a compromise on taxing wealthy Americans, but both sides remain split over the income threshold. Meanwhile, U.S. home prices in October rose in most major cities, pushed up by rising sales and a drop in supply. And let's see how Wall Street is doing in today's half-day session. The Dow is now up 21 points. U.S. retailers had their worst holiday shopping season since the financial crisis began in 2008. Sales of electronics, clothing, jewelry, and home goods in the 2 months before Christmas grew 0.7% over last year. Analysts were expecting a healthy 3 to 4% increase. Bad weather and increasing uncertainty over the fiscal cliff deadlock has forced retailers to slash prices in order to lure reluctant consumers. They must now hope for a post-Christmas burst of spending. Moving on to U.S. dollar cross rates, the yen is at 85.29, the euro at 1.32, the Australian dollar at 1.03. In mainland trade, Shanghai A gained 0.2%, Shenzhen A jumped 1.6%. The mainland's foreign exchange regulator has adjusted the nation's third quarter capital account deficit data. The figure was revised lower from October's preliminary reading of $71 billion to $51.7 billion. Despite the downward revision, it marked the second straight shortfall that could weigh down investor sentiment over short-term capital flight. Beijing attributed the deficit to increased dollar deposits held by local firms. Meanwhile, current account surplus over the same period was revised from $70.6 billion to $70.8 billion. And we take another look at the Dow. It is now up 26 points. And that's Marketplace for tonight. Thanks for watching.